knows what really brought me here. This stranger hurried on, blinded by a single tear. Then there you were, you said stay a while, let's get to know what's better. Smiled my thanks for letting this tired soul enter. Closer and closer we became day by day. I never knew friendship could be so good this way. I caught a glimpse of all the love you had inside. Laughed again, found no more need to hide. Bursting like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy, rainy day, you touched the heart of the solitary traveler in your own special way. Open your eye, goodbye. I told you not so long ago. You must travel our special road, gazing forward, bearing our special load. Never once looking back. For the moments we both did share, and all the times we showed how much we really cared. Though I know we may never pass this way again, in my heart I'll cherish